Bitcoin most important signal just flashed. Act now before it's too late, my friend. Yes, my friend, you need to act very fast before it's too late. To know what else we're talking about, make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of that video. As you see, guys, the weekly candle here, it finished at a big engulfing candle here in the weekly. It happened in a very strong level. Before we analyze it, guys, we want that video to reach to 100 like, and know you can do it. So please, my friend, smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment if it's possible. Tell us your thought about Bitcoin, what you think and where we are going. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also, after the signal we show you yesterday, it's hitting for us the first, second, third take profit. I'm talking about the short. Today we enter another short as you see it here. We enter in it. Now we are in the profit. Yes, it hasn't hitting for us the first take profit, as we still waiting. We tell the people they following us to take some of the profit, and we moving stop loss a little bit down. And now we still waiting what's going to happen. If the market going to reverse, we're going to close that short and we're going to open a long before it hitting, of course, the stop loss of us. That's how us we trade. So if you are interested to trade with us like that way, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video. Click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. You click at join. You finish the payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps. And believe me, my friend, you see that 25 bucks here? It's nothing compared to the quality signals us we give all the week. There is no losing signal. So if you want to make money with professional people, that's the job of them. Every day us we show you our signals here in that channel. So if you want to make money with the right people, the link of our Patreon is it down. Click at it here. Finish the payment process. If you're facing any problem, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Discord, in the free Telegram. All the link is it down, and we're going to solve that problem for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it happened in a very bad time. Because if you're looking with me here, guys, look with me here, what you see? You see that RSI here and the one here, we got a divergence, guys. You see that divergence is very bad thing happening here to the Bitcoin. That divergence, when it happened in the weekly, always at the top. So did that 108k, it be in the top of the cycle? Till now we're still waiting, guys, because if we come here and we zoom out like that, what you see in here, look at the last cycle here, that here a divergence, guys. See it? This time we have here a divergence. Even if we go back past, we are going to see the same thing here, divergence. Now should also we close our long-term Bitcoin holding? No, me personally, I'm not going to close it now. I'm still holding because that's my view personally. There is second leg, guys, and I want just the first. So also we still have here that up channel, as we show it to you before, that one here. We told you guys that the up channel, we touch the top of it here, exactly that 108k. Now there is one of two, guys, because look at it, that the phase one, as you see it here, that the second phase. Now that the third phase is going to be like that, then after to give us a new high, that possible. Second thing, Bitcoin going to give us here a phase, then after that it's going to dump from here. So everything is possible, guys, because it's impossible the Bitcoin to fall down just like that by one candle. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Yes, we got a divergence here, so we need to be careful, and that's what me have been telling you all the past days. Been telling you guys, also we are closer to the top. Don't buy Bitcoin now for long term. You can go back and see all my past videos. Another very important thing here in the weekly, let me show it to you, is it that one here, guys. You see where is the 20 moving average? Is it at 75k? That man, if the Bitcoin fall down to touch that 25 level, is going to touch for us that last high here, and that possible, guys. There is nothing it it can happen. The level where also we got a huge volume is it exactly here. That level between 74k till 60k. As you see it based on the volume profile here in the weekly. Now what the view? Either we are going to see the Bitcoin going to stay here because all that week as also been saying it's the last week of the yearly candle, guys. Also we saying that when the yearly candle is going to finish, we are going to come to analyze it for you. That way also we don't want to show you the yearly chart and those things, but that week, guys, that the last week of the yearly candle, so you need to be careful what the market going to show you in the coming days. Another very important thing here, let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? You remember that yellow uptrend, also we bring it from the last cycle highs. We show it to you. We don't need to go back to show you all those things. If we come here and we zoom in like that, what you seeing, guys? The Bitcoin fall down, he tested again, but till now we haven't break it yet. Now let's see if the Bitcoin from here going to go back to break that last high here. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So we need to wait to see what's going to happen in the coming week. Coming week is very important, and as I told you, is the yearly close. So you need to be careful, my friends. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week, because even that week we got a lot of events. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys. We started here by the coming week, as you see it. In Monday, what we got? We got the GDP of UK, and CBR consumer confidence is going to come in Monday at 3 o'clock. That one it affect a little bit the cryptocurrency, so you need to be careful, my friend, what the market and how the market going to react to that. Tuesday, what we got? As you see it here, Tuesday 24th of December, we got holidays everywhere, as you see it. Germany, UK, USA, all the markets, they are going to close in Tuesday at 1 o'clock GMT time. So we need to be careful, guys. But we got some news for USA. We got durable goods orders and new home sales. Those ones, they are not going to affect nothing. Then Wednesday, what we got? It's the Christmas, guys. Wednesday 25 of December, we got the Christmas. Is a holiday everywhere, so all the markets, they are going to be closed. Yes, the Bitcoin is going to be open, but the volume, there is no volume. Then Thursday, what we got? We got the Boxing Day at 26th of December, as you see it here. So you need to be careful, guys. Huge week, as I told you, that the last week of the yearly candle. So you need to be careful, my friend. You need to be careful that week. Exactly the madness moves will happen at me in the history of me in the market. It happened in that week. So you need to be careful. Me personally, at that week, I'm not going to open any day trading trade. If I open one, it's going to be with very tight stop loss, because I know that week how it's going to be. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us till now. Nasdaq started green, SP started green, Dow Jones started green. Those ones actually they're respecting the market, as we told you. If you remember last week, we're reaching to 24. We told you it's the right time, and that one is the bottom. And that's what happened exactly. Also, we buy the SP 500. It moved, go back to the place where it fell down. But for Bitcoin, it's not. So we need to wait, but fair, it's still high, guys. As I told you, that week is very dangerous. You need to be careful about that. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we are doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here the Bitcoin, I bring it today like that to show you that. Look at that uptrend. Also we have here in daily. You see it how I draw it. I start from that one, and that one. So what the view? Maybe we are going to stay here to touch it again. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, we're going to fall down very quickly to touch it. Is it exactly at 86 till 81? The low of it here, if we fall down sharp to touch it. So even that one, you need to be careful about that, because if you look in here, as me I show you before, I told you guys, you got here like a megaphone here, not the megaphone here, as you see it here. And that one, you need to be careful. If we're going to break in the lower of it, we're going to see Bitcoin dumping again. As also we show you in yesterday, we told you here about that. What also we told you in yesterday video. We show you that pin bar here, and we show you that one here, and we give you the levels why that happened. Today the market gave us here a red candle. That's why also we catching that short. If we go to other chart with moving averages, let me show it to you. Look with me here, guys. That the pin bar, as we told you, the green one, and we told you look here at the 20 moving average, how it reverse in there. Now we are going to go back to touch the 50 moving average again here. Now we need to look very close what's going to happen here in the 50 moving average, exactly at 93,425. How is the Bitcoin going to react here? There is one of two, guys. We're going to break it down and we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down to the 100 moving average, which is exactly at 79,207. That possible, guys. Second scenario, the Bitcoin going to give us here a pin bar or a candle indicating the market is going to reverse, and we are going to go back again to the 20 moving average. So everything still looking the same. Yes, also we still have here that very strong level. Let's see how is the market going to react to it. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, it might the Bitcoin to give you here in daily a big head and shoulder like that. Even that one, if it's getting broke, is going to be very, very hard, guys. So as we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think I explained everything to you here in daily. Now let's going to see it Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here in 12 hours, actually, we got here a head and shoulder, guys. If you see it with me here, look with me here. I'm going to change that color. That the first shoulder, that the big head, and that smaller one here is the second shoulder, guys. So if the Bitcoin breaking here, that 100 moving average here, we are going to fall down to touch the 200 moving average, which is exactly here in daily at 78,976. That number one scenario. Second scenario, we are just going to touch that 100 moving average and the Bitcoin going to give us here a double bottom, and that's going to be very good. But if you're looking with me here at the 20 with the 50 moving average, he tried to cross below here, so you need to be careful, guys, what the Bitcoin going to do exactly here at that 100 moving average. If you want exactly when is it the right time to buy, when is the right time to take profit, you can join our VIP Discord where we're giving all those type of signals, guys. But it's up to you, my friend. Now is going to see the levels you need to look closer at them today. Levels you need to look at them closer today. That level here, as we showed to you before, 95,486. That one down here, 90,808. And in the top, we got that 102,603. So those ones, the levels you need to look closer at them. Guys, don't be shaken out by those things. As we still in a bull market, there is nothing changed, guys. Just hold your crypto. Don't sell. Bitcoin is always recover, and we are going to recover, guys. As we just passed 2 years green, we need another third year need to be green. We are going to explain to you that at the yearly close. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel for don't miss that video, because that video of the yearly candle close is going to be very, very, very important video for you. Exactly if you are a long-term holder. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum doing exactly like how us we told you. We told you us we buy from here, but we haven't buy a lot. We buy just 10% because us we sold here some Ethereum at 4,000. We buy 10% of what we sold here, and we got another order down here, exactly here. It's not a lot. Even the one we got it with small percentage. If you want those things, you need to join us. So I can't tell it to you here, but because some people they paying me to give them those things, so I'm so sorry, guys. So we got an order down here exactly at 3,000. If the Ethereum fall down to 3,000, it's going to be triggered. If it's going to reverse from here, fair enough. If it's going to dump again, we have extra cash to buy. That way us we're telling you every time to join us. Now what the view here for Ethereum? The view here, there is nothing, guys, telling us the Ethereum is going to reverse from here, unless if one thing happen here. Because if you're looking with me as I showed to you yesterday, told you unless if the Ethereum or that wave here couldn't break for us that last low here. That's very important, guys. Even if it's break it, because look at it here. That's a wave. He go above, he breaking, then he fall down, give you here a double bottom. Same thing now. That's a wave, fall down, give us there a correction. Now another wave. If that wave couldn't break and go back and break in that last high here, that's another double bottom, guys, and it's indicating the market maybe from here going to reverse. So you need to be careful, guys. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator. What it's saying here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, same thing. That divergence also being shown to you. We touch here extreme oversold area. That's why also we buy. Now we're still here in a place where is only bears we're controlling, guys. So there is no long, as I told you, we need to come to break that down trend divergence. If we haven't break it, there is no entry long. And the same things we said about the Bitcoin, it's apply here for Ethereum, guys. You see that megaphone here. Even that one, if it's getting broke here, we're going to see the Ethereum dumping, because that's why also we're analyzing just Bitcoin, because all the other cryptocurrencies, they are correlated to the Bitcoin. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin it do something very important here in 4 hours, guys. What is it? I'm going to do it for you down here. That uptrend here, that the market here, it's playing here. Market came and break in the downtrend. How else we are going to know that downtrend getting broke? It need the market to come back to test it, then after that to fall down to break for us that last low here. Yes or no? What I draw here, if you're looking with me here in the chart, that uptrend as we follow. What happened to it? Is getting broke here. Market came back, tested here. Now, if the Bitcoin fall down and breaking for us that last low here, what that indicating? That breakout will happen here. It's real, guys. As you see it, as we talking here, and Bitcoin doing exactly what it do. As we enter a short from here, and we put in take profit here, and also we still waiting what's going to happen now. Either the Bitcoin from here going to reverse and it's going to give us a double bottom like that, because if you're looking with me, even that wave we got now, it doesn't got momentum, guys. Even if now you go into Bollinger Bands and you put it here in 4 hours, you're going to find it doing like that, guys. It's getting smaller here. It doing like that, like the neck of a bottle. What that indicating? There is a squeeze coming, guys, either above or down. That's why I told you, you need to be careful exactly that week, guys. And if you don't know how to do those things, I told you what to do to join our VIP Discord, where we're giving professional signals there. But it's up to you, my friend. Now, if we break in that low here exactly of 92k, we're going to see Bitcoin giving us new lows, guys. Maybe 88k, maybe 80k, or else we still waiting what's going to happen, guys. I think I explained everything to you. Another very, very important thing here in 4 hours. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? We showed it to you, and yesterday we told you, look at the 20 moving average, how it crossed below all those ones. We came back, we touch it here. Now it's falling down again. Same thing. If it's breaking for us that 92k or 91,800, just say 92k. If we break it here, we're going to see new lows, guys. Why? Because that is going to give you like that low, high, another low. So I think I explained everything. Another very, very important thing here in 4 hours, guys. What is it? What me I told you here? Okay, I do like that, and I told you, guys, we got a very stronger supply and demand zone. Now we are in it, and we told you like that. We got a megaphone. Yes or no? And we told you if we break it down here, we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down very, very, very sharp. That's what we had told you. And we told you, if we came back and we're breaking above here, the double bottom here, we're going to see the Bitcoin going back to the top of that megaphone, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, after it touched here extreme oversold area, he touched that wall in the middle, as also we show it to you here in the chart. Now he prefer, or he's staying here in the place where is the bears they controlling. But the most important question you need to ask, did professional people or those big whales, they are ready to sell at this time? No, my friend. Those ones, they know it's left another green year. That's why no one of them is ready to sell now. All of them, they are going to hold, and all of them, they are going to see that falling down as a discount to buy. And even you need to do the same thing, my friend. If you see the Bitcoin fall down to that below 90k, is a discount to buy Bitcoin more cheaper. But it's up to you. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Also, we've been waiting that downtrend. Also, we showed it to you before. We told you it's getting blocked here. Also, we haven't entered based on that break there. And we give you the reason why. We told you Saturday and Sunday. Fall down the market, it tested here. We told you for us to know is real breakout. It need to come back to break for us that last high. It doesn't. And what me I show you in yesterday video. I do it like that and we zoom it like that. You can go back and see it. We told you guys, we got here a head and shoulder. We show it to you. Even in a thumbnail of a video, it was that head and shoulder. Yes, it's getting broke here. Also, we haven't entered because we told you the reason why Saturday and Sunday. Also, we don't day trade. Then we show you in yesterday video here. Another head and shoulder, yes or no? That one here, and that one here. It's getting broke here. Yes or no? Also, we enter that short, guys. Look where we are now. That's how us we trade, guys. Very simple. There is nothing fancy, no extra or paid indicator or something. Just price action. Very simple. Indicating for you to enter, we enter. Now here, what we got? Look with me here, what we got. Me, I came to that one here. You see that one here? And I draw in here a downtrend. And I'm waiting. If the Bitcoin came back and breaking here, we are going to enter along because that one here, as we show you before and getting broke, as we still in the top of it, guys. So it might just, we are going to touch it here. Then after that, we are going to bounce above. But I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator we're saying here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Our indicator, guys, look at it. That one, it touched extreme oversold area. That one, it's going to touch it. Should we enter a long level? As we are in a very, very strong level in 4 hour, in daily, in weekly, in everywhere. Should we enter a long? No, my friend, as we still waiting that one here. Market to come to break for us here, for us to enter a long, guys. So I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash that like button, to write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you on another video, guys. Bye for now.